In this video I'm going to show you how to install the setup ink cartridges in your Epson WorkForce 2850 all-in-one printer. So first step is to take the ink cartridges out of this packaging. You get set of 4 ink cartridges. Remove the yellow seal from this side and just do it for all 4 ink cartridges. So this is an inkjet printer. So that's our last ink cartridge. Now lift the ink chamber door, so you have to lift it from here. And now we have to install the ink cartridges. Let's start with the black ink cartridge. Place it here and press it down. You will hear a small lock sound, that means it is installed properly. Lift this door up. It will rest here. Lift it up again and go to the screen. Click on the installed. So it may take few minutes for the ink system to start. So this way we can install the setup ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.